Hello traders, a very good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are. It's Isma as usual, back again from FXKampala. Well, in the video today, we're going to be looking at a trading plan. And if you've been following us in one of our previous videos, or in our previous videos, I actually came out and told you that if one is to develop a trading plan, we do not have a clear, definitive format of how a trading plan should look like. However, in the video today, I've actually come out to actually show you a simple format of how a trading plan should look like. And I'm going to be very simple, precise, because in everything that we do, if you want to go professional, if you want to be a professional Forex trader, in one way or the other, you need to have a trading plan. Just as you do anything, just as you do your businesses, just as before you construct a house, just as before you execute on anything, you always have to be with a trading plan. So in the video today, I'm going to take you through, I'm going to show you how you develop a Forex trading plan. In the video today, I'm going to show you briefly on my PC how a trading plan should look like. In any case, you haven't subscribed onto our YouTube channel, please do, such that you enjoy the content that we happen to release. You can also go onto other social media platforms of ours, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, provided you're sure you're on the right platform of FXKampala. Let's go onto the PC and we see our trading plan. This is a simple template of how a trading plan should look like, and I've made it simple and also private. A simple trading plan should have the trader's information, show a trader's information, so you can put your name here, your trading experience, the style of trader you are you a scalper, an intraday trader, a swing trader, or a position trader, but generally this in particular. Then you can also put the broker, because you're now going professional and formal. Okay. Then you also need to put the account size. Okay. How much your capital is. Any trading plan should have this. But then, if you find this interesting, okay, as we proceed on to, please, I can share it with you, or try to reach out to me. I'll be in position to share with you it to you, right? And as a word format. Then the trading goals. It should have a trading goal. That is the daily goal, what your daily goal is, what your weekly goal is, and what your monthly goal should be. Still, markets to trade. You have to specify. Okay, remember you're planning now your trades. So you have to be specific on which pairs you're trading. If you're trading one pair, then include only one pair. Okay, remove the rest. If you're trading two pairs, then include only the two pairs. Okay, the sessions you're actually supposed to trade into, or you're supposed to trade, that is London, New York, Asia. You don't just need to, all come right through, trading everything that comes across. So you need to be specific, okay? And this should always be the guideline you should follow, before you enter your trade. Then the time to trade from, at what time? If it is 9 a.m., maybe to 10 p.m., please specify, be specific on this. And once this time, once you start trading, or once you're probably supposed to not be trading out of the market, then it should be the case as per your trading plan. Then it should also have the strategy rules. Your strategy, especially the entry conditions, you have to put them there. The trend is confirmed, okay? Market structure is clear, right? Confirmation candle appears, and all these should be, you should actually, if your strategy says blah blah blah, should specify the trend, the market structure that you actually trade into, the confirmation candle, that is before you enter, the risk reward ratio is favorable, news is checked before the entry. Then if you use indicators, then you can also list it down. If it's generally price action, you say I focus on price action. Then you should also have the risk management rules. That is the maximum risk per trade. You have to specify and put it there. Maximum daily loss, you have to put it there. That is on the daily. Then maximum trades per day, you have to specify them. That, you know what, I'll always be trading 4 trades. Risk to reward ratio, it should be 1, maybe to 2 to 3 to 4, up to 10. The lot size rules, you always need to calculate the lot size. If you're trading one pair, it has to be calculated, and you have to specify that I'll always trade a lot size of 1, okay? Or maybe I'll always trade a lot size of 0.1 or whatever the lot size is. Then the entry checklists, okay? The entry checklists, besides, regardless of the strategy that you use, the trend line, direction, entry confirmation, stop loss set, okay? Take profit set, news checked, emotions under control, proper lot size used. Psychology rules, then you actually take an oath, or you swear that I will always follow my trading plan. These are things that now, the rules that you should follow. And you swear that I will always follow my trading plan. I will always, or I will accept losses calmly. You have to accept that losses are part of this game. I stay disciplined. I avoid, range trading. I will be patient, okay? And I will not overtrade. I will not trade emotionally. I will stop. Rather, I will move stop losses. I will not move stop losses unnecessarily. Then I will not enter random trades, okay? Then journal section, you have also, within our trading plan, we have our journal normally. You have always had your journals in the spreadsheet, but also you can have a specific one like this, a simple one like this, and you give it a hashtag. So maybe hashtag is FXKampala, or maybe hashtag the strategy name, or maybe whatever. Okay, you give it an hashtag, then you specify the pairs or the pair that you traded, whether it was a buy or whether it was a sell. This is for every individual trade you happen to enter. You know, whether to buy or to sell, you specify, you put the entry price, the stop loss, take profits, the results after it's actually closed. Was it a positive? Was it a loss? Okay. And you can also take a screenshot. That is, if you're journaling, this is optional. You can either take it or not take it. Then if there is a mistake, maybe it, probably maybe went your direction, or went in your favor, or went against you. If there is any mistake that was made, you have to put it down. You have to put it down. Then the lessons learned, okay? Daily review, okay? These are the reviews that you have to do on a daily. You have to check yourself, okay? Daily. Did I follow my plan today? Did I manage risk properly? What mistakes did I make? What can I improve tomorrow? Okay, this is a daily thing. Okay, if daily is quite hard, you can then rather go maybe for a weekly review onwards. Then the golden rules. These are the golden rules that we should never break at any one point. We have to always protect capital first. Discipline is more important than the profits. One good trade is enough. Okay, that is if you're trading in a day, right? And you probably, have failed to get a clear, good setup. One good trade can always be enough. Never risk money emotionally. Consistency beats gambling. In other words, you should not gamble. These are the golden rules, okay? Once you have this in place, you can always, customize this template trading plan. It's as simple as that. If you find it hard and something complicated, you can always, follow this simple trading plan I've just designed for you. And you can always claim for it. I'll put my contact in the video in case you need a simple trading plan like this. I know so many of traders out there, you do not have a trading plan, and it is good. And every time we don't plan, then we are literally planning to fail. So once you don't plan, then you are planning to fail. So planning is important. Planning is crucial. Planning is, needed at every one point, because then you will know what to do when a certain situation comes, because with you have already, you have already seen this coming, and therefore you have always gotten a solution for it. That's why we say we protect capital first, discipline is more important, blah, 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 and a lot more things. Otherwise, I will not waste a lot of our time. I'd love to stop from here. In any case, you need our Forex trading mentorship classes. That is online, physical, those most importantly that are not in the country or outside the country. put the contacts there. Those that are probably been trading, but then things are really not working out, please also contact us. We help you out through this. And literally any other thing that is associated, signals, robots, anything, provided it's about trading, okay? Contact us. We can always be in position to help you. Otherwise, I would love to stop from here. Have a lovely day. Enjoy. Thank you.